Welcome to Dream Lifestyles channel.
Hey everyone, it's a rainy day today and I have got a French car to show you guys. We have here Peugeot 508 Sportswagon Plug-In Hybrid and it's automatic. Come with me and let's find out together what French built inside this car. This car is equipped with DML keyless start system. Right here, let's launch it and put it on a different drive mode. We have got electric mode, sport mode, hybrid mode and comfort mode. Alright, foot on the brake, let's warm you up a bit. Let's rock and roll. The maximum speed of this car is 240 kilometers per hour and it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.1 seconds. We won't be able to launch that because it's raining and the road might be a little bit slippery. Safety first. As soon as you hop in this car, you start driving it and you stop thinking about the different setup. It actually feels very natural and easy. You see everything, so nothing to complain about. And speaking of visibility, you have got no blind spots in the front, reasonably big rear window, so all sorted, and for goodness sake, this car feels like a French sofa. It is so comfy and you do not feel any bumps, pothole, imperfection. I mean, the suspension is absolutely brilliant. So this car is a plug-in hybrid and under the bonnet I have got a 1.6 liter turbocharged petrol engine combined with an electric motor, and the total power that is being produced is 225 horsepower. Not bad for a 1.6 liter engine. The good thing here is that you can easily switch between electricity and combustion engine to prioritize the efficiency of performance. If you choose to do so, you can hold electricity for when you need it, and that is usually when you want to drive in the city. Having said that, you can drive up to 135 kilometers on electric only. I mean, at a regular or slow pace, but naturally, when you are flying on the motorway, your electric range goes right out of the window. You will have about 50 kilometers, which is about 30 miles of electricity, and to charge the battery, you need 1 hour 45 minutes using a Wallbox 7.4 kilowatts. I know that's a long time to charge, and they say time is money. But even if you don't charge your battery, the fuel economy means that we will burn up to 7 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers. Let's dive in and talk a little about the interior. This car has a frameless windows, not just in the front, but also in the back. Very stylish, very sleek, kinda sporty. I love it. I have adjusted the seat so I can drive comfortably. At the back, there's enough legroom for the passenger and very good headroom. You have got a panoramic sunroof. Unfortunately, back passengers can't enjoy these features because it doesn't reach to the back. Time to check how generous the boot space really is. We have 530 liters of space. It is very easy to slide items out and put them back in. If this is not enough space, you can of course fold the back seat down and you will have a whopping 1,780 liters of space. Wow. The steering wheel, initially you might think when something is missing, why is it so small? Well, because the French have designed it. They can do whatever they want. It is just a little bit smaller but works like a normal steering wheel. It feels good in the hands. I really like it. Actually good quality shortcut buttons here. Clean and simple layout. I like it. You also have a paddle shifter and a cruise control. I love using these cruise control features while driving a long distance. The digital driver's display that is sitting a little bit higher, you can see it right above the steering wheel. You can change the display screen mode as you want it. Very nice. Actually, I really like it. Alright, so let's move on to the beauty of this infotainment system. Well, so the screen is really nice. It's a touch screen, very innovative and very intuitive. With a bit of time, you can get your head around it. So you can use your fingers, but you also have those shortcut buttons. These buttons are like pedals, more like a piano. This car is a front-wheel drive, so very chilled and relaxing to drive. The steering is nice and light, but it got a very good response despite it's smaller than usual size. Now this guy has got a good turning cycle, easy to maneuver in and out of car park. This car is an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which at lower speed can get a little bit shocky, it can get a little bit jerky, and it does get on your nerves from time to time. But other than that, it's very smooth operator. Now the soft suspension here, you might think, well, how that's going to go in a twist here, but actually surprisingly, the softer suspension has put no stain on handling whatsoever. I have got a solid grip on a twisty road. Overall, a very good balance, and I have to say the French have really got this one right. I mean, sure, it's not a sports car, but let me tell you, on a twisty road, it won't fall apart and cry. Let's be honest, more often than not, a car like this will handle the road better than any SUV. you see, this car is very stylish. It is very elegant. The 508 saloon is absolutely striking, and both models are still somewhat unique. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye, guys.